Welcome back guys to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to convert Bitcoin to USDT. Firstly, open Binance Lite and tap on Portfolio, which is an app on your phone. Now tap Deposit, then choose Crypto. Select Bitcoin from the list and choose the correct network which match the sender's network. Copy the Bitcoin address or use the QR code to send Bitcoin from your external wallet, and optionally just tap More Details, Spot Wallet to pick where the deposit goes. Just wait for the network confirmation. Your Bitcoin will appear in your Binance wallet. Now, tap the yellow Trade button on the home screen, choose Convert, and under Market, select Bitcoin USDT. Enter the amount of BTC to convert, then tap Preview Conversion. If the rate looks good, tap Convert quickly before the offer expires. Then tap Go to Wallet to see your new USDT balance. You can also view past conversions by tapping Order History, then Convert, tap. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.